Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to our channel. So in this video we discuss the history of the world crash courses. So let's get start the video, and you press the like button. I start the video. The history of the world crash courses is a popular educational YouTube series created by John Green and his brother Ang Green. As part of the Lager Crash Course series, the show aims to provide a consist and entertaining overview of world history, covering wide range of topic and time per previous. Okay, it uses humor, animations, and engaging storytelling to make history more accessible and enjoyable for viewers. So the next is okay. The series is divided into multiple sessions. It each folk is each focusing on a different period or theme in world history. Some of the session and topic covered in the history of the world Kashi course include. So the first is world history. This season covers the earliest civilizations such as Mesopotamian, Egypt, and ancient Greece, and progress toward the Roman Empire and Middle Ages and the Renaissance. So the next point is world history. Second, this session delves into the age of exploration, the significant revelation, the enlightenments, and the major events of the 18th and 19th centuries, including the American and French Revolution. Okay, the next is world history. 3. This session explored the 20th century, including World War One, the interwar period, World War II, the Cold War, and various other significant events and movements of the 20th century. Okay, so the next is World History 4. The session takes a more thematic approach, addressing topics like capitalism, communications, imperial, and collaborations in a historical context. Okay, the next is World History 5. This session covers more recent events and the impact of technology or society. Okay, now thought that each session's John Greek and the Crash Sources team provides viewers with key historical concepts, improvement figures, and a broader understanding of how various historical events have shaped the world we live in today. Okay, the next is the history of the world. A crash course has been prepared for its engaging and informative approach to technique history It has become a valuable resourcing for students, teachers, and history enthusiasts look to gain a quick yet comprehensive understanding of world history. Okay, I explain this script is easily. Now we can start. World history is context. I can start top of the start video first. Okay, each episode of the history of the world, a crash course plays historical events and figures in their broad context. These help viewers understanding not only that happened but also why it happened and what consequences it had for subsequent events. Okay, the next is discover perspective. Perspective aids. The series make an effort to present history from diverse perspective include those of different culture, regions, and time period. It aims to provide a more well-rounded views of world history that goes beyond being the Eurocenter. Okay, the next is approach often found in traditional history education. Okay, so interactive learning in addition to the video episode crash course provide additional resourcing such as study guides, quiz and discussion quization to encourage interactive learning and deeper engagement with the material. Okay guys, so the next is culture reference. John Green often includes pop culture's reference and analogies to make historical events more reliable and memorable for viewer. This approach helps to bridge the gap between the past and the present. Okay. So the next is educational impact. The history of the world, a crash course has been widely adopted in educational settings, include classroom and home schooling curricle. It has helped studies of various age and background develop a passion for history and critical think skills. Okay, so the next is engage community. The crash courses community include not only viewers but also educators and historians appreciate who appreciates the series for its ability to make complex historical concepts accessible to a wider audience. This session of community has led to further discussion and exploring of historical topics. Now, in summary, the historical of the world crash courses in a highly regarded education resourcing that has made history more engaging and established to learn of all ages. So, guys, bye bye.